To fix sound issues on a Lenovo laptop, start by checking all audio cables and ports for damage or loose connections. Next, verify that the sound is not muted by clicking the speaker icon on the taskbar volume control and adjust the volume level by moving the slider. If issues persist, try uninstalling the sound driver by navigating to the device manager, selecting the sound, video, and game controllers option, and then clicking on the audio device option to uninstall the device. After uninstalling, restart the laptop and allow it to reinstall the correct sound driver. Alternatively, update the sound driver by selecting the sound, video, and game controllers option in the device manager, choosing the audio device option, and clicking the update device option. From there, select the search automatically for updated driver option to install the updated driver. By following these steps, resolving sound issues on a Lenovo laptop can be a straightforward process.